going to make a Miyeoggug, which is a very popular Korean seaweed soup. It made with seaweed soup because it's so nutritious. It's packed with protein and all the minerals that you need for your body. That once when women give a birth to a child, this is a soup. Some of these moms eat only this soup and rice for almost a month because it is also packed with iron too. So this is what we call a birthday soup to celebrate your birthday. So let's start. So it doesn't take so much to prepare this soup. I have the seaweed, which is called miyeoggug, which is dried and prepped in Korea. And this what I have here is a beef, top sirloin steak. Prepare some water and get some dried seaweed and put it in there. So this is a good amount, like 1 teaspoon. I'm going to use just half of this. Now I'm going to take this to the stove and start cooking. So we have everything what we need here, which is the 간장, 국간장, and 참기름, 미역 참기름, which is the sesame oil, and beef and seaweed. So let's start. I'm going to put some sesame oil there, and we are going to fry first the beef. Now I'm using chopstick to keep pan frying this beef. So once the red parts, the blood is almost gone. Okay, now, but when you put seaweed, you actually have to just put the seaweed itself without water. So look, I'm just getting the water out here. Here. And you can keep continue to pan frying it together. So pot frying 1 minute. You can reuse the water that the seaweed was in. So put it in, and I'm put the Korean soy sauce. Okay, so it's boiling. So I'm just turning the heat down to low and close the lid, and I'm going to leave it for 20 minutes. Okay, so let's let it go. The reason that we leave it for 20 minutes is that the dried seaweed is going to become really soft, give out all the good taste. We started like just a fistful of dried seaweed, but now once in the boiling, it became quite an amount. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you my secret rice with gochujang. Okay. Put some salt on my egg. So here is my rice. What we need is sesame oil and the gochujang, Korean chili pepper paste, vitamin seed. Quarter tablespoon of gochujang and half tablespoon of 참기름 and some sesame seed. That's it. So I'm going to cut this seaweed with my scissor. Sorry. So that it's easy to eat. Okay, it's almost done. As a final touch, I'm going to put a little bit of salt. Wow. This is how you. So the way how you eat. This is the gochujang rice. Gochujang bap. That is gochujang, like right underneath.